Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at home. This is your subject teacher of social study. So, as you know that your school is closed due to cold and chill weather. So, at this time, we are revising our possible portions for outcoming examination. So, my dear students, today we will revise chapter number 7, A Time to Celebrate from your textbook. So, my dear students, what's the name of the chapter is? A Time to Celebrate. So, my dear students, can you name some festivals of India? Yes, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Guru Parv, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti, Republic Day, Independence Day, etc. are the festivals that are celebrated in India. So, students, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about festivals and how we celebrate these festivals. So, students, look at activity that is given here. Let's make a rangoli. So, students, here, let's make a rangoli. Things you need: crayons, a big rangoli design. Now, how to do it? Place the design on your table. Color the design with colors of your choice. If you want, you can decorate the design with pieces of colored paper. When you are done, paste it on your notebook or pin it on your classroom display board. So, the students, this activity you can do. So, my dear students, in this chapter, as you know that this chapter is about of festival. So, festivals are about sharing your joy with others. Next time you celebrate, try to share your joy with a needy. Give them new clothes. So, students, festivals are about of sharing joy with others, and festivals are categorized into some types like religious festivals and national festivals. So, my dear students, what is a festival? A festival is a special day when people get together and celebrate something. We eat special dishes and usually wear a new clothes during festivals. Festivals brings happiness and fun in our lives. So, my dear students, in this lesson we are going to read about some of our major festivals like Diwali. So, students, you know very well Diwali is the festival of light. On Diwali, we decorate our houses with lights and diya. We wear new clothes and share sweets with friends and relatives. And in the evening, we pray to the goddess Lakshmi. Now, next festival, that is Eid. So, students, on Eid, people go to the mosque to pray and greet everyone with words Eid Mubarak. They give money and clothes or food to the needy. In the evening, the family has a feast together. Like next festival, Guru Parvs, they celebrate the lives of Sikh Gurus. On this day, they go to the Gurudwara and where At Gurudwara, priests read about the Guru Granth Sahib. Then they take a part in procession and enjoy the langar. Next festival is Christmas. Christmas celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ. It falls on 25th December. Every year on 25th December, celebrated as Christmas Day. And at this day, people also exchanges gift with their family and friends. Later they enjoy a wonderful meal at home. Now students, these are the religious festivals. Now some example of other festivals like national days are Republic Day. So students, on Republic Day, entire country celebrates Republic Day together. On 26th of January, we celebrate Republic. On Republic Day, on 26th January, our Constitution was made. Next one is Independence Day. So my dear students, you know very well, on 15 August, we celebrate Independence Day, and on 15 August 1947, our country freed from British rule. On 5th September, we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. He was the second president of India and a great teacher. And students, November 14th, we celebrate Children's Day, the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So students, this was the festivals that are given in this chapter. So festivals are times when people come together to celebrate something. Now students, let's come to the exercises of this chapter. So students, here new words, exploring new words. Festival, it means a special celebration. Procession, a line of people moving slowly as part of a ceremony. Langar, usually the kitchen of a gurudwara where free meals are served to all visitors. Next is parade, a procession. Now students, let's work out. On Eid, people greet each other with the words Eid Mubarak. Second, on Guru Parv, Sikhs eat at the langar. Christmas celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ. The Parsi New Year is called Navroz. Fifth, Republic Day in India is celebrated on 26th January. Now students, let's come to the choose the correct answer of this chapter. On Diwali, people, options are never burst crackers, decorate their house with lights, or celebrates the birthday of Gandhiji. So students, here option number B is the correct answer for this question. On Diwali, people decorate their house with lights. Second, Christmas is celebrated on, options are 24 December, 25 December or 31 December. So here option number B, 25 December is correct. Next, Jains celebrate the birthday of Buddha, Mahavir or Christ. So here option number B, Mahavir, is the correct option. 4. 15 August is celebrated in India as Independence Day, Republic Day or Gandhi Jayanti. So here correct option will be option number A, that is Independence Day. Now let's come to the question number 3rd. So students, answer the following question. Describe how Ravi and his family celebrate Diwali. So my dear students, Ravi and his family decorate their house with lights and diya, and they wear new clothes and share sweets with friends and relatives, and in evening they pray to the goddess Lakshmi. So students, this was the answer of this question. Now second one, how do Salima and her family celebrate Eid? So students, Salima and her family go to the mosque to pray and greet everyone with the words Eid Mubarak, and after that they give money and clothes or food to the needy. Next one is, what do Sikhs do on Guru Parv? So students, on Guru Parv, Sikhs go to the Gurudwara where priests read out the Guru Granth Sahib, and they take a part in processions and enjoy the langar. Next question, name the 3 national days of India. So students, the 3 national days of India are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So these are the 3 national days. Next question, on which days do we celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day? How do we celebrate them? So my dear students, on 26 January we celebrate Republic Day, and on 15 August we celebrate Independence Day. So students, these national days is celebrated by entire country together, and on these national days, Independence Day, India's freedom from British rule. Now students, question number 6, whose birthday do we celebrate on Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, or Children's Day? On 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers Day, and birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day. So my dear students, this was the answer of this question. I hope you understood very well. So students, the right values from this chapter is, festivals are about sharing your joy with others, and next time you celebrate, when you celebrate, try to share your joy with a needy, give them new clothes or food. So students, the explanation of this chapter exercises is completed now. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.